Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share fun and creative baking videos. Today I'm excited to show you how I made these adorable miniature cakes, perfect for celebrating an anniversary. Sometimes the sweetest moments are shared between just two people, and these tiny cakes are a wonderful way to make your celebration feel intimate and personal. Imagine surprising your special someone with a little cake, just the right size for the two of you. It's a sweet, thoughtful gesture that says, I cherish this moment with you. I want to be with you. Plus, a miniature cake, there's no need for a big crowd or big cake, just a big heart and a whole lot of love. These miniature cakes are so easy to make and to customize. Whether you want a classic red velvet cake like in the video, or a vanilla cake, or a chocolate cake, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can decorate them however you want. Maybe add a few hearts, some delicate flowers, or even your partner's favorite colors. It's about making something as unique as you love. Anniversaries are special milestones. They are time to reflect on the journey you've shared together, the beautiful memories, the challenges you've overcome, the dreams that lie ahead. With every little bite of this little cake, you can celebrate these moments in a sweet, meaningful way. So whether you're celebrating your first year together, your 10th year together, these miniature cakes are a delightful way to say I love you. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Feel inspired to make your own miniature cakes for the next occasion. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more sweet ideas. Here's to love, happiness, and many more sweet memories ahead. Until next time, happy baking and celebrating. Bye.